Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your Huawei phone. Many Huawei devices do not have Google Play services natively, which can make accessing popular apps challenging. Clash of Clans, for instance, requires these services for proper functioning, including saving your game progress and making in-app purchases. We will explore the definitive solution to overcome this obstacle, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite game without any hassle. This method is straightforward and widely recognized as the most reliable approach. The first crucial step involves installing the Gbox application on your Huawei phone. Gbox acts as a secure container, essentially creating a virtual space where Google Play services can operate. You can easily find the official Gbox download either on their dedicated website or by searching within the Huawei app gallery itself. It is important to download the most recent stable version to ensure full compatibility with your device and to enjoy the best possible experience when running your games. Once Gbox is successfully installed, launch the application and accept any required permissions it requests to function correctly. Inside Gbox, you will see a clear option to set up or access the Google Play Store. Select this option to begin the integration process. You will then be prompted to log in using your standard Google account credentials, which is essential for restoring your game progress and accessing all your existing content in Clash of Clans. Now that your Google Play Store is fully operational inside Gbox, finding Clash of Clans is incredibly simple. Just open the Play Store within Gbox, use the search bar to type in Clash of Clans, and select the official game from Supercell. It is vital to confirm you are downloading the legitimate version to ensure game integrity and security. The entire download and installation will then proceed automatically, exactly like it would on any other Android phone, with standard Google Play services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.